I'm Tanya of TDR Academy of Movement and Therapy, and in this series of videos where we are now is with the neurodynamic test for the median nerve. We're now starting to work through these gentle movements to help slide or floss the nerve tissue. So if you have just joined in with this video, please check out our previous videos on the neurodynamic testing, explaining it, what it's about, and also how you apply it, and run through the active self-test so that you can figure out, is this something that I might be worth something to me for my body and any symptoms that I may be feeling. So with this particular movement, it's called the Yo-Yo. Again, this is coming through information from the Now group linked with David Butler. But I want to make sure that we're putting this across, that if it's used within a clinic, there are soft, gentle movements, and I want you to do the same at home. So with that, if we're imagining, whether you've got a yo-yo or not, it doesn't matter. If you were using a yo-yo, you're going to be flicking into this extension movement. As you flick the yo-yo down, we're starting to extend through the arms maybe a little bit out to the side. And as you're using that action, it's not a sudden flick. It's a movement which again is slow and progressive, because I don't want you to irritate anything. But again, you can do this movement, you're watching it as you do it. You could do one side, you could do the other, or maybe just do up to about 10 movements on one side and progressively build up over the course of the week, maybe even to around 20. But with the movement, again, if I go into full extension and full wrist extension, elbow extension, I want to make sure that I'm not recreating symptoms, because then it's too much, it's too strong, it becomes a tensioner. Whereas if I'm not getting any symptoms, then I can move through the full action, okay? So the key thing is, you don't feel anything when you're doing them. You might take it to an edge, but then you come straight back out again. If you feel irritation, stop. But certainly when you're working through these, if it feels like it's helpful and it's not really doing anything, you're probably on the right track, because they are designed to be flossing, sliding, as opposed to tensioning. If you're neurally tight, they don't necessarily like to be stretched any further. It's good to floss. So hopefully you find this video useful. Leave a like for me and a comment, and also subscribe to the channel. Why not? Hopefully we'll give you some more information if you like it. Certainly there's other movements within this series, so please check them out, and yeah, hopefully we'll see you again soon. Thanks for watching.